Welcome. I'm Terriell of Terriell Samuels Pilates, and this is Pilates Need to Know, my series on the basics of Pilates, covering everything you need to know before starting an at-home Pilates program. This video's topic is the Powerhouse. Let's dive in. Your powerhouse can be understood as essentially your core. When you hear your Pilates teacher say, use your powerhouse, they mean for you to recruit all of the musculature from the bottom of your rib cage all the way down to your glutes. This includes your abdominal muscles, your low back muscles, your pelvic floor, the muscles around your hips, and your glutes. Your powerhouse muscles are meant to work together to form an internal corset or girdle of strength, which all movement should initiate from. Make sure to pay attention to engaging your powerhouse correctly before initiating any other movement from the body. This will make sure that you are always stabilized and supported, which will keep you injury-free and help you avoid any strains or pulls. And that's what you need to know about the powerhouse. And now, if you have any questions or comments about the powerhouse, feel free to drop them below in the comments box and I'll make sure to answer. Thank you for watching my Pilates Need to Know series. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like notifications when I post new videos and Pilates workouts, click the link in the description to sign up for my newsletter. This is Terriell from Terriell Samuels Pilates signing off. Bye for now.